This is Stanford. Stanford is a 12-year-old neutered snowshoe mix. He was brought to the Humane Society because his previous family did not have enough time for him. He is litter box trained, good with cats, and good with kids. If you want to meet Stanford, come down to Kitty City. This is Starla. Starla is a 10-and-a-half-year-old spayed brown and orange tabby. She was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family moved and could not take her along. She is litter box trained and good with cats. She's described as very outgoing, playful, and talkative. If you want to meet Starla, come down to Kitty City. This is Monster. Monster is a 7-year-old neutered domestic longhair. He was brought to the Humane Society because his previous family could not care for him. He is litter box trained, good with cats, would do best in a home that's dog-free and a home that is kid-free. If you want to meet Monster, come down to Kitty City. This is Scruffy. Scruffy is a 3-year-old spayed brown and orange tabby. She was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family became allergic to her. She is litter box trained, good with cats, dogs, and kids. If you want to meet Scruffy, come down to Kitty City. This is Rodney. Rodney is a 6-year-old neutered domestic longhair. Rodney is a transfer to the Humane Society from another shelter, so we don't know much about his history. He is litter box trained, he's good with cats, and he loves playing with toys. If you want to meet Rodney, come down to Kitty City.